Have you ever wondered how to effectively remove plaque from your teeth? Well, it's not just about having a shiny smile. Plaque, that sticky layer of bacteria that accumulates on our teeth, poses serious health risks if left unchecked. It can lead to gum disease, tooth decay, and even tooth loss. On the flip side, a clean, plaque-free mouth promotes overall oral health, fresh breath, and a sparkling smile. Now that we understand why it's crucial to remove plaque, let's dive into how this can be done. Removing plaque from your teeth isn't as daunting as it may seem. It begins with the simple act of choosing the right toothbrush and toothpaste. Opt for a soft bristled toothbrush that can clean your teeth without damaging your gums. As for toothpaste, look for one that contains fluoride, a mineral that helps to prevent tooth decay. Now, let's talk about the correct brushing technique. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Use short, tooth-wide strokes, brushing back and forth. Be sure to clean the outer, inner, and biting surfaces of your teeth, and don't forget to brush your tongue to remove bacteria and freshen your breath. Flossing is another crucial part of plaque removal. It helps to clean the tight spaces between your teeth that your toothbrush can't reach. Wrap the ends of the floss around your fingers, slide it gently between your teeth, and curve it against one tooth as you slide it back and forth. Remember, each tooth deserves a fresh section of the floss. Mouthwash plays a significant role too. It can reach areas that brushing and flossing can't, and it helps to kill bacteria that can lead to plaque buildup. Swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of regular professional dental cleaning. It allows your dentist to remove plaque that's too stubborn for your daily oral care routine. With these steps, you can effectively and efficiently remove plaque from your teeth. In just a few minutes, you have learned the essential steps to keep your teeth plaque-free. A quick recap reminds us of the importance of plaque removal. Ignoring it can lead to serious dental issues such as cavities, gum disease, and even tooth loss. To maintain a healthy mouth, it's crucial to adopt a proper oral hygiene routine. This includes using a toothbrush with the right bristle strength and a toothpaste containing fluoride. The technique of brushing matters too. Remember to brush in a circular motion and not forget the hard-to-reach areas. Flossing is equally important and should be done at least once a day. Adding mouthwash to your routine can provide an extra layer of protection against bacteria. And lastly, don't skip your regular dental checkups and cleanings. Remember, a clean mouth is not just about a beautiful smile, it's also about a healthy life. So, keep those teeth plaque-free,